Tantra is a way of exploring how we connect to our bodies, connect to the sexual energy, the prana here within our body, and also how we honour and witness another's enjoyment, another's connection to the life force and vitality within their body. The monthly workshops in Brixton offer a space in which we explore where we can connect with ourselves and connect with another man. We do this by going through a series of exercises in pairs. We start with some gentle grounding practices. We might be sitting back to back with another man, simply feeling the breath in their body, connecting with the breath in our body, starting to synchronize our breathing. We then move into a slow undressing ritual, where for many of us it might be the first time we have been naked in a group of men. Maybe we feel uncomfortable about our body. Maybe we carry some shame. And yet being with a group of men who have a huge variety of different body types, it allows us to release and relax and soften around these worries and concerns and come to that primary principle of simply connecting with another man through touch. And so the slow undressing, it takes about 20 minutes or so, half an hour, for us to arrive at being fully naked. It allows us to slowly take off not just our clothes, but the feeling of shame, the shyness, the feeling of insecurity and uncertainty, and to step into ourselves fully. From there we go into a number of pairings. You'll work with around 6 different men in a sequence of different pairings. In each pairing you are giving for 10 minutes, receiving for 10 minutes. And the focus of these pairings is very much about exploring the question, how do you want to be touched? For your pleasure, how do you want to be touched for the next 10 minutes? And some of us might not know. Some of us really may not know how we want our bodies to be touched. We may go to a massage workshop just hoping that people will touch us. It will happen. And so then being asked, how do you want to be touched? Where in your body is going to bring you pleasure to be touched? It can be a challenge and also a joy. We do work through a sequence, so there will be a suggestion about what posture you might be in, whether you're lying on your front to start with. Gradually through the sequence of pairings we'll come to a point where we're lying on our back, and that may determine a little bit what parts of our body we are asking to be touched. But also we're tuning in to our felt sense in our body. With this person that I am now paired with, how do I want to be touched? With some people we might feel an erotic charge. With other people we may feel a sense of withdrawal. But what will be an honest way of asking to be touched in that dynamic? We also look at how can I offer the gift of touch, so that I am not simply looking at who is sexually desirable in these pairings, but I'm recognizing that here is another man. In his vulnerability he is revealing himself to me, wanting to be met with kindness, wanting to be met with care. How can I touch this man with kindness and care from my heart in a way that will help him to feel met, received, seen? And so I think many of us will know the whole meat grinder scene of London. We know what it's like to just be observed as objects, for someone else to touch us only for their own gratification, with no real thought of how their touch is enlivening us, bringing us into a greater sense of presence, joy. And so these workshops are an invitation for us to explore. How can I be present to myself and also present to another with an open heart? And what happens when we then meet from that place of presence and openness and care? So every month we meet in Brixton. Every month there's that strained silence at the beginning, as around 12 to 18 men are sitting in the circle waiting to start. And every month it then opens up into this beautiful, warm intimacy, so that by the end of the class, people are so comfortable with each other, lying in each other's arms, chatting, feeling at ease. If you feel that this is something you would like to explore, then a very warm welcome awaits you, and I'll be very happy to see you there and assist you, whether this is your first ever workshop of a tantric sensual massage type, or if you've been to many. If you've been to many, then please bring your experience and knowledge into the space and share that with others. So I look forward to seeing any of you there that can make it. We meet the last Saturday of each month, and we run throughout the year. The sessions are from 2 p.m. until 7 p.m, which sounds like a long time, but it really gives time to slowly ease in. So there's no sense of rushing, no sudden undressing. You don't suddenly have to jump into something. We ease in, we explore, and we take our time. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you there one Saturday.